You can create these animations completely free and unlimited, and it's actually much easier than you think because Higgsfield has made almost all of its powerful AI tools free without paying anything. Can you believe it? This is not fake, and I'm not making some random clickbait claim. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can create videos, animations, images, and even voiceovers completely free and unlimited. No watermark. Incredible quality. And the best part, you get access to some of the newest and most advanced AI models that would normally cost a lot of money on other platforms. You can use models like Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, Seedream 5 Pro, and many other powerful image generators for free. For video generation, you get access to Seedance 2.0, Gemini Omni, Kling, and more. Honestly, this is amazing. Now let me show you how it works, and let's go. Higgsfield has launched this limited time offer for new users, and today I'll show you exactly how to use it. Many of you have asked me how to use Higgsfield at a lower cost. And honestly, considering the quality and the number of tools it provides, I already think it's one of the most affordable AI platforms out there. But now they've taken it even further. Almost all tools are available for free for a limited time. Here you can see the official list of free tools provided by Higgsfield. For image, video, and audio creation, most of the trending and professional AI models are included. Just keep in mind that the available settings and free duration depend on the plan you choose. Now let's create a new account. You can simply sign up using your Gmail account. After that, you'll answer a few basic questions about how you discovered Higgsfield and what you want to use it for. They're not very important, so you can easily go through them. Once your free account is activated, click this option to request unlimited access. Here, you'll need to enter a credit card. But don't worry, you won't be charged anything. The card is only used if you decide to continue after the free trial. If you continue, your payment will be processed through this account, and besides the credits you purchase, you'll also get another 7 days of unlimited usage. Otherwise, you can cancel anytime before the first 24 hours are over with no problem. Now let's test it. Here you can use most of the generators and tools in free mode. I already tested many of them in my previous video, so make sure to check it out from the link in the description. But one of Higgsfield's most powerful tools is definitely Supercomputer. This is where the entire content creation process can be handled intelligently. From videos and animations to advertisements, games, and even apps, everything is managed automatically using different AI models. And the best part? Now, Supercomputer also has a free mode. I've already explained how to use it for creating animations and apps in my previous videos, so you can check those out. Today, I want to use it for creating professional prompts. Here, you have different skills that you can activate to handle specialized tasks. For example, this skill is designed for creating Seedance prompts. Let's test it. I asked it to create 4 exciting prompts in different styles. And it did an amazing job. All 4 prompts were generated perfectly. It even suggested that it could generate them directly or create storyboards for them. You can actually do that inside Supercomputer, but today we're going to test them from the video section. Here you can select Seedance 2 or any other video generator you want, then customize the settings and enable unlimited mode. Now simply paste your prompt and start generating. After a few minutes, this is the stop motion animation it created. Honestly, this is impressive. As you can see, it generated everything perfectly. And to make sure it's truly free, you can check your credit usage. Nothing was deducted. Completely free. Now let's test another style, for example, AAA game style. And once again, it generated the result perfectly. I'm really impressed. You can also try any other generator you want. For example, Kling 3, which can even generate free 1080p videos, or Gemini Omni, which is also really cool. And you can ask Supercomputer to create prompts specifically optimized for each model. Now let's test the Pixar and Disney style. This one turned out amazing. I really love this result. You can easily create multiple 8-second scenes and connect them together to build a longer animation. Now let's try anime style as well. And as you can see, this one works too. Completely free with 0 credits used. Amazing. I think this can easily become part of your creative workflow. There are also many other tools here that are available for free. All you need is a free account to activate them. I've always said there are many reasons why Higgsfield is one of the most complete AI content creation platforms available today. And considering everything it offers, the cost is already very reasonable. But if you want to test this free offer, make sure to sign up before the deadline ends. I hope you create some amazing projects with it. Until next time, stay creative.